Hi guys, this is Megan, and today we're going to look at Powtoons. So we're showing Powtoons because it's going to engage your audience more, and this is something the students can use and create with. You'll see here that you can actually pay for Powtoons, but I like free a lot better, so I'm going to show you the free version. So we're just going to create a project, and I'm going to start with a template because I think they're a lot easier. If you want, you can start from scratch, but we're going to do, let's do a teacher introduction. So I'm going to hit edit. So while this is loading, I just want you to know that this can be used for any curriculum and having the kids do anything with this. You could have kids read a book and create a book trailer, which is essentially a movie trailer about the book. You could have them create something on the presidential election. All kinds of things you could do with this. And it's essentially a presentation tool that's way cooler than a PowerPoint or a Prezi. It's something different, a little more creative. So my name, and as you can see here, I can just insert things. So my name is Megan Ford. And I can change around things. I can change characters. I can insert objects. So let's see, switch on. And let's insert a star because I'm a star teacher. As you can see, I can choose colors. You can get super creative with this. Graphs, sounds, images, different layouts. I like the easy ones the best though. So I'm really excited to be your teacher this year. I'm fun, funny, and friendly. So I'm going to write, I'm fun. I'm really sarcastic, so maybe not so funny to kids. And I'm going to write, instead of friendly, I'm a book lover. As you can see, there's tons of fun things we can do here. All of this can be changed. My background is in social studies, but I'm in Medi now. And let's change our background here. I'm just kind of plain. I want this to be a classroom, so I can do that. And then I can just move all of my text around. As you can see, this is super customizable. And we can add slides. So when we add slides, we can choose how we want to do it. So let's make this one a whiteboard. And let's make it a computer, and I'm going to write down my email because I want the kids to know my email for communication tools. All right, so we're going to apply this, and I am going to hit play. And it shows me different things about this. It's going to play this for me. So as you can see, this is going to play a little movie, create a little movie. There are also options for kids to add their own voiceovers, their own sound. If you hit voiceover track, it'll actually record their voice so they can voice it over. And you can also export this. So we can publish it to my Powtoons, but my favorite way to export is YouTube because I always think that's the easiest, and I can just add my Google account. So as you can see, Powtoon is pretty cool. It's fun to play with. It makes the kids think outside the box, be a little bit more creative than they used to. But they can do it with a generic template, or they can also generate their own. They've got tons of images to choose from here, different layouts they can choose from. So tons of creative options. All right, I hope you have fun playing with this.